We've got exciting news. Continental Diamond Tool is now your source for Dr. KAISER products in North America. And Dr. KAISER will offer CDT products in Germany and surrounding areas. I'm Shane Vardaman, Chief Commercial Officer at CDT, and I'm here to share what this partnership means for our customers. At CDT, we're committed to delivering the best super abrasive technologies for precision manufacturing. In Dr. KAISER, we found a partner that shares our systems approach to innovation. Together, our grinding and dressing solutions give you, our customers, the customization, precision, and long-term performance you can count on. For North America, that means Dr. KAISER precise German manufacturing is backed by CDT's responsive service and support. And for Europe, CDT's super abrasive capabilities expand Dr. KAISER's offering. It's a complete package, world-class technology paired with world-class service and process support. Please visit cdtusa.net or reach out to your CDT representative for details.